wanna smoke a nigga like a doobie. I'm black like coke and I'm dope like I'm Zucci. Pull up to your hood and take your man, make him a groupie. But dog drops it like it's a hot nigga, ain't talking about Snoopy like I'm pushing P like Ghana, wanna be in Ghana. Young Bamba, my shit is miles and my pen link is made of love, we are cover. My shit is fire when they act is party song. I'm a cousin, my flow's gon' give me 25K and I'll never go lumber. As a reminisce, they told me that I ain't shit. Now they hear my take.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Don Lividi, aka Super Vilalazi. I'm an artist from Sekunda in the township of Mbalenhle. I'm a producer, musician, songwriter, composer, and a videographer. My music journey began like at a very young age. I remember back in those 2010 eras, like whereby I used to watch TV. So I was getting inspiration from Justin Bieber, Ludacris, you know. Then time went by. Around 2013, I went to a MA law, moved there, and I was doing grade 6. So there was this class teacher of mine who is Mr. Mashango. I don't know where he's at now. Yeah, I don't know where he's at, but like yeah, he actually, you know, compiled like a school choir, so I joined in. I got to learn like a lot of things from there. Then I moved to the 7th grade. From the 7th grade, like I started writing poems, and yeah, I was a poet, like a big one. And even the class knew, good, yeah, bro, this guy with a pen, he doesn't play. So I moved back to Emba in 2015, whereby I was in grade 8. I started like writing like proper lyrics. Then on the 9th grade, I started recording music. I don't know which production, I don't remember, I can't recall the name of the production, but like I remember the producer because they call him Bendulo. Then a few months down the line, you know, I got to depart in Triple G by /034. Then a few months down the line, I also like became independent. You know, like I bought my own things, I bought my own equipment. Then I got to learn during the COVID era, the lockdown era. Like I was so locked in, learning how to make beats, learning how to produce, like a lot of things, mix, master, you know, write songs, record myself. Then from there, things just went well because I got to learn how to drop even on all platforms by myself. So I could say like I'm self-made. I work with a lot of artists, locally and internationally, because I actually have a group, you know, I have a gang group, which is Orkan Government, you know, like Masha Sel is in it, C-Rever is in it, Big Shepherd is in it. Then internationally, I've worked with Fadope from Nigeria, Muchi from Zambia, Bria from United States. Who else? It's a lot of people that I worked with. I just forgot names. Oh, and who's this guy from Otona? I just forgot his name. But yeah, I've worked with a lot of artists. Jody Supremo from Devon, Perky South. Yeah, Tap Easy from MA Law. You know, like a lot of guys. Hey, problems. Getting less numbers, you know, like maybe you drop a song, then you expect like a certain number, but you're gonna reach it, then you know the outcome is just less than that. So what else? Yeah, collaborating with people, then like the song doesn't get released, double, you've made like a 5 verse, that hurts. I shifted my focus, you know, like I just dropped everything. I just got to move on, you know, focus on better things, focusing on bettering myself, focusing on myself, you know, like making my own things, because I know whenever I make my own decisions, like nobody's going to stop me from it. Myself and the YouTubers. Yeah, for sure. The YouTubers have helped me a lot. No bad vibes from these other guys, but you know, yeah. Oh, and also the Hades, they've helped me to like, you know, do better and do more.
Nigga been broke, just in a joke. Days were cold, it was frozen.
I've been into radio shows, radio stations. I mean, like, oh man, like that's a great experience, cause like you get to sit there in the chair and just, you know, talk about your music, you know, and yeah, you just have fun, cause like you get to be yourself. I get to be myself. I don't know about others, but I get to be myself and just, you know, answer whatever they ask me, and they play my music, you know, like that's crazy.
Vuma TV.
So far I haven't met any, I've never had any problem with radio stations. I got to be involved like in a panel discussion by Radio Langa, whereby like there was this debate about piano in hip hop, and I got to be the only hip hop head who was representing. So what happened actually, you know, I was just like talking facts, and they just liked me for that, and they booked me for an interview for that, you know. Yeah, there's so many, like there's so many songs. There's this other song I made, it's called what? It's called Wealthy. It took me 3 years to complete it, you know. By the way, it's officially out now, like on my first album, Extra Cold Hearted Guys, so you can check it out, Wealthy. Yeah, it took me years to like wrap it up. I have so many favorite songs, but at the moment, I must say Wozalana by me and Tap Easy. Like it's a brand new one, so it's gonna come out very, very soon. Getting to be on shows, you know, shout out to Ephraim Coders for that. Like he put me on, and I got to showcase myself, and people love me and my stuff. Getting to collaborate with a United States female rapper, hey, this one is so remarkable. And which one? Getting recognition from big artists, you know, getting to be co-signed by LK Swishi, getting to produce for Bradley, the Umliluzo Awoti by Black Diamond, you know, getting to produce for that guy Bradley.
Vuma TV.
Consistency and hard work. That's all. Someone like who's dedicated, you know, someone who's hungry as me, and someone who's actually good. All over, I want pride. I was one all over pride. All over those jokes. Basenza Doritos, basenza Sababai, Swana Lama. All over again, indeed. Yeah, me send out. Actually, that song. I was in Cancer a lot for solo Kulumajin and you know, a local hip hop is in Banek. So I was actually showing them what Lento is a corner, they is targeting hip hop, there is like, you know, motion on hip hop. Just because one of our against Lento who shoots Lento you know, with or without them still doing it and still alive. They got a job. Your knees got a job. Don't talk to ass on that. Stay focused, be consistent, yeah, love what you do and do what you love, yeah, and don't be afraid to learn new things, you know, always be experimental, so yeah, you know, the best thing to do is just, if you want to have like some clean sound, clean mastering, go to YouTube. YouTube has everything. You get to learn that. Even if you want to make beats, if you want to be a producer like me, just go to YouTube, because now I was, you know, the YouTube gang, I was like, you know, logged in with YouTube, so I got to learn a lot of things. And another thing, just collaborate with people, find artists, like build a community together, and you know, also like you want to pride, the ego doesn't take you anywhere, you know, just like work with other people and just respect. Okay, word of the day is never mind what people, you know, say, you know, turn the negativity into positivity, let it drive you, let it push you to your fullest potential, you know, and yeah, stay focused, locked in, and just minds into the negativity or something. I'd love to thank everybody who picked this episode, and yeah, my name is Don Liberty Super Villarazi. And yeah, guys, if you don't have me, you can just like go to, you know, Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. Just search Don Liberty, DXN Liberty. You know, it's written down there, down here. It's written. Just search for my music, and you know, maybe you could be my supporter. And yeah, please subscribe on the channel to hit the notification bell and like this video and comment whatever that you think about this episode. Stay blessed. They can stand me up like FIFA. I'ma let them forfeit. They know I don't play. If you won't do, I'll say. Man, the niggas, they are all broke. It's even attention they can pay. You a passenger, I'm a driver. Everything go my way. Now the boys on the car and talk about wonders on shine. Sorry, sham. Who the fuck done made this chop out? Who the fuck is on the block now? Who the fuck is on the spot now? Who's headed to the top now?